Ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at is the last of a dying breed, the 2024 Jaguar F-Type R75. It's not just the final F-Type, it's the last roar of Jaguar's supercharged V8 era. And today, we're going to find out if this $116,000 supercar deserves a place in automotive history. Let's address the elephant in the room, that engine. Under that sculpted hood lies a fire-breathing 5-liter supercharged V8, pushing out a massive 575 horsepower. The exhaust sound is just perfect. That's what modern cars are missing. In a world of hushed turbos and electric whirs, this Jag screams like a proper sports car should. The numbers are impressive. 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds, quarter mile in 11.6. But this car isn't about numbers, it's about experience. Every time you press that starter button, every time you nail the throttle, the R75 delivers pure theater. Speaking of theater, just look at it. Even after all these years, the F-Type remains one of the most beautiful cars money can buy. This stunning Giola green, a special color for this final edition. Those muscular haunches, that perfect stance, the way the taillights stretch across the rear, it's automotive art. Inside, it's exactly what you'd expect from a range-topping Jaguar. Camera panning interior shots, premium leather everywhere, contrast stitching, and special R75 badges reminding you this is no ordinary F-Type. Yes, the cabin is snug and yes, the trunk is tiny, but who cares? This isn't a minivan, it's a proper British sports car. On the road, the R75 feels special. The all-wheel drive system puts down power beautifully, and while it might not be as razor-sharp as a Porsche Cayman, it has its own character. It's more grand tourer than track weapon, and that's perfectly fine. This is a car that can handle your favorite back road, but won't beat you up on the daily commute. The 8-speed automatic might not be the fastest shifting transmission out there, but it gets the job done. Pop it in dynamic mode and everything tightens up. The steering gets heavier, the throttle more responsive, and that exhaust pop sound, well, you get the idea. Now let's talk practicality, or rather, the lack of it. The trunk is basically a glorified glove box, the cabin is cozy at best, and fuel economy? Well, let's just say you'll become very familiar with your local gas station. But honestly, none of that matters. Because this isn't just another sports car, it's the end of an era. It's the last time we'll see a supercharged V8 in a Jaguar sports car. The last time we'll hear that signature growl. The last of the old-school British Grand Tourers. Is it perfect? No. The Corvette is faster, the Porsche 718 handles better, and both offer more practicality. But neither of them has the F-Type soul. This car isn't about lap times or cargo space. It's about making every drive an event. At $120,000 as seen here, the F-Type R75 isn't cheap. But as the last of its kind, as the final chapter in Jaguar's sports car story, it feels worth every penny. It's a reminder of what we're losing as we move into the electric age. The drama, the sound, the raw emotion that only a great V8 sports car can deliver. The F-Type R75 isn't just a car, it's a farewell letter to an era of automotive history. And what a beautiful way to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.